Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing this clean makeup look, on a makeup look you can say. So let's get started. First off, I've cleansed my face using the salicylic acid cleanser from Minimalist. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, I'm starting with the moisturizer. This is Pond's hyaluronic acid moisturizer. With this, I'm using a couple of drops of red raspberry and saffron oil from Juicy Chemistry. Now, I'm going to start off with Sugar Cosmetics primer. This was going to give me a dewy base as well as hydrating effect on my face. So I'm going to massage that really well into my skin. I've started using the NY Bay Orange Corrector. I'm applying the corrector in all the places I feel I have discoloration or pigmentation, including my under eyes because I have deep dark circles, and I've blended this really well with the help of my fingers. Now I'm buffing the foundation. So for foundation, I've used Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 338 Spicy Brown. I'm going to continue applying the foundation on my entire face, but I'm working in small portions so that it gives me a proper and beautiful finish. And the dewiness you see on my skin is because of the facial oil alone. I'm using the same foundation on my neck area as well. I am going to provide all the products in the description box below, so please do check. I'm using the concealer from the brand Maybelline Fit Me again. 50 Cafe is the shade. I haven't used any sort of light concealer. The concealer is again my skin tone shade only. I'm using this on my mouth area as well, wherever I have pigmentation, so I could layer up the product a little bit. Now I'm going to blend this really well in the inner corner of my eyes. That is usually where we miss applying the concealer. I'm using a concealer brush to blend this really well. Now let's start with the Sugar Cosmetics Vivid Victory palette. This is a contour blush highlighter palette. I'm going to contour the usual places like cheekbone, jawline and the forehead, highlighting tip of the nose, cupid's bow, cheekbones again. So this is what my skin looks like. I'm starting with the eye makeup. I'm really sorry I missed the footage of applying the Sugar's loose banana powder under my eyes. But I'm applying Faces Canada's kajal and I'm roughly making a line. You do not have to be neat at all. So I'm blending this out really well with a smudger brush. I'm just giving a very light smoked up effect with the kajal. Now I'll be using Swiss Beauty's eyeshadow palette, and I'm using a light brown shade. First thing to set my kajal, second to give me a transition shade, and I'm gonna blend this with the help of a blending brush. I'm going to blend this couple of times until I'm happy with the intensity of the eye makeup. Now I've started doing my eyebrows, so it's a little difficult to explain how to do eyebrows, but you guys can just watch what I'm doing. I'm using the Wet n Wild eyebrow palette. I'm going to use a mixture of both the eyebrow shades. I'm outlining the bottom of my eyebrow, and I'm going to repeat the same on the upper part of my eyebrows as well. So I'm giving the intensity only in the middle of the eyebrow, whereas when I'm filling the inner corner of my eyebrow, the product is going to be really less on the brush. And finally, I'm just going to comb everything to set this. Now I'm using Sugar Cosmetics lipstick. This is in the shade Fury Berry. This is a very beautiful lipstick, I must say. It was really looking good on my makeup. Now I'm using Huda Beauty's mascara. This is an amazing mascara. It's a sample size mascara, but it was really good. Finally, I'm using the Sugar setting spray to give me that proper dewy finish, and that completes my look. Voila, we are done. So if you like my videos, please subscribe. I will be posting more such beautiful videos, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Until then, take care. Bye bye.